Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another week of Tech Tuesdays with Elizabeth at AuraPlayer. Now, this is the 5th week of our Template Apps series. And since I began this series, I've had quite a few people reach out requesting a series on EBS manufacturing module. So I decided to have another session dedicated for that. Now, after having these interactions and discussing with the manufacturing end users, I noticed a pattern in the conversation when asked how the application is currently working. So typically the answers would say, it's a very powerful tool and on the surface it meets the data requirements. But in today's environment, there are so many new obstacles and challenges that weren't there previously, such as social distancing, less people in the warehouse, and companies really shifting the ideology towards let's find the most efficient and easiest way to continue our processes. So typically in the warehouse, workers would be tasked with tedious, time-consuming projects, which would need to be completed physically. So whether you're using the sub-inventory transfer app to effectively track products in and out of the warehouse, cycle count to ensure inventory is where you think it is, pick confirm to track order pickups, or Oracle receiving to easily track returns, the process, number one, is not only error prone, but during COVID times, having multiple workers using the same keyboards, mouses, and pens just rises the risk of contamination. But the good news is it doesn't have to be that way. By adding mobile apps and tablets with barcode scanners to count inventory, receiving items, and picking items makes it a lot easier. And with one tablet per person, cross-contamination is no longer a worry. That is, as long as they are following the social distance rules. So making the warehouse operations contactless. And to do this one step further, with AuraPlayer's template apps, there's no lag time. So the moment that the inventory is scanned in, it will be updated on the EBS system. So that way, the sales team from my last video will automatically have an updated list when the next customer comes in to ask for item availability. AuraPlayer's pre-built contactless templates can be quickly deployed or easily customized to support personalizations and specialized workflows. So that's all for this week. Tune in for next week because there's a big announcement, so make sure to watch this space. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the section below. Knowledge is power. Have a great rest of your day.